are then, another little video for the captain's vlog. We are at Dynodaze Nuneaton for a little Honda Meet. I think it's Barnzys organised it actually. He's around somewhere with a camera in his hand. So yeah, we've got a load of Hondas here at Dynodaze. A few are going to be going on to the dyno for a few power runs and stuff like that. So we bought the K-Swap Civic out for a little runabout, a little trip up to Nuneaton. As you can see, we've got a lot of cars here, a lot of Hondas. We've got this pretty cool track spec EP3 Evo wheels, big old wing, full cage, the usual. Looks like a bit of a ripper. K-Swap. Oh mate, this car's lovely. I love this car. This is Rich's EG track car, supercharged K20, about 350 horsepower I believe. It's got all the track goodies on, big old splitter, side skirts and a wicked diffuser. It's running the same wheels as me, DC2 96 spec Anki wheels for all the lightweight spinny wheelwood calipers. It's a beast. Full welding cage, swell pot fuel system. What's it on? Oh, he's on a nice K-tune shifter in there. Big old Tegra spoiler and the super silencer attached to the splitter just there. You can just see the splitter tied in down the back there, but this thing is an absolute track weapon. FN2s galore, EP3s not so much. This sounded nice, it's had a little rev. Got the old Mugen wing. Bowlers, nice. It's clean, mate. It's that EP3 as well, that is clean. Got more FN2s over this side. Seems to be a theme on the old Mugen grills. HKS filter. It's nice, adjustable rear wing, that's different. Then we got the Holy Grail Honda FD2 in championship white with matching wheels, factory Brembos. You know the deal. T25. Okay, you already turned it off. Go on then, give her a rev, mate. Whoa. Whoa. Rotrex. Listen. Woo. It's a beauty. It sounds so good as well. The exhaust has got a lovely tone to it. It's just really nice. So if you've not already seen him, this is Matty Champ White and his all right mate, and his beautiful FN2 with a new Rotrex supercharged kit, and it's an absolute fucking beast. It just looks so good. It fits so well. Everything about it is just engineered for all the horsepowers.
It's shoehorned in, isn't it?
Oh yeah, but it fits well. Like, I've seen engine bays that are way worse than that. They're getting drowned out now. Oh, popcorn map. Not my favourite, but yeah, this thing,
No,
what a beast.
Not gone for any of that on this.
No. You've got some the old special heat gear. Thermal tape, or thermal reflective tape, is that what they call it? I've got a little bit of mine as well, but it works.
It's good stuff.
It's just a beautiful looking car. For me, the FN2 is probably one of the older Hondas that has aged better than most in terms of their styling and their design. A lot of people hated on the Euro Civics when they first come out.
I think it got better with age, to be honest.
I would agree with that. They've become cooler as they've got older.
And when they came out, people were just like, ugh.
They're like, what the fuck is that spaceship?
Yeah, Stormtrooper helmet.
Yeah. They're like, what's with that weird split dashboard? And I can't see out the back window and all of that jazz. But I think now they come good. They look great. Love this bonnet strut as well. This is kind of cool. Little carbon bonnet strut. That's a nice touch. But over here we've got another really nicely turned out Champ White FN2. Got some silver heat foil going on this one. That is a nice red. That's really bright. Crinkle finish as well. It's nice. It's really bright, isn't it? Really bright. Uncle Keith's paint shop sticker. He's a big fan of Dynodaze, clearly. Big up the Dynodaze. And a sapphire blue FN2 with some posh. Ooh, not only posh wheel nuts, it's got posh brakes. AP Racing. Oh, and a retrimmed steering wheel. Just spotted there's a retrimmed steering wheel in there. That's kind of nice. Let's have a look, see at that. Can't really see very well, but it is in there and it looks nice. It's got Alcantara top and bottom with the red stripe. Now this Accord Type R, stock ECU on this car. All it's got is an air intake and an exhaust system, 2.5 inch exhaust system. And it makes 222 horsepower and 175 foot-pounds of torque. Impressive for a car that was from 2002. But that, my friends, is the power of the big block K24. Yeah, buddy. It's a nice looking filter, that. I feel like that should probably fit on the back room housing, but whatever, it works. Ooh, Ferio. And another Champ White. And then round here we've got some more stuff. Got Mugen kits on FN2s. We've got another one up there and another FD2 up there. There's a Supra over there and more FN2s. An Audi there. EP3. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. This is really clean, actually. Don't see any rot anywhere. Looks a nice rig. Bonnet. Carl, sort your bonnet out, mate, because it can look as good as this. And then when you pair it with wings that look as good as this, your car will look beast, mate. But look at this. That is cool. The paint of the wheels as well, that is sick. This is Barnzys FN2. This, mate, is clean, I'm telling you. Proper clean. Oh, might be a bit filthy there. Anyways. Yeah, got all the bits. Carbon Mugen wing. Maxton Designs lower splitters, or whatever they call that. Side skirt extension. All right, mate.
How we doing, buddy?
The man, the myth, the legend.
I don't know about the legend.
Yeah. This engine bay swallowed many, many man hours, as you can see.
Certainly has that.
And it's turned out beautifully. I'm a massive fan, actually, of this carbon scuttle panel, slam panel cover garnish, whatever you want to call that. I need to get one for mine because I think they look awesome. Plus mine's a bit beaten because it's really old, so a bit of carbon fibre.
The bit I ever got was that bit.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a nice bit of kit, that. Carbon bonnet too. Did Uncle Keith do your wings?
No.
No.
No, I had them done back in Bristol.
Paint match is really good, and I know a lot of people worry about getting a decent paint match on fiberglass parts, but I think the quality of your original paint, is it original or has it been painted?
This side is painted with the wing.
Right.
I had,
Oh, so they did blend it in. Did you have some other work done at the same time?
Basically all this has been redone.
Right, okay.
The original side is that side.
Oh, okay. And it's still blended nice that side too. So yeah, these wings, my mate Carlos has got the same colour FN2
Oh, right, yeah.
with the K24 on it, and he's got a set of these wings and he's got that bonnet.
Right.
And I'm doing this so I can tell him how good they look, so he can hurry up, pull his bloody finger out and get them done.
Have a look at Daz ours, which is really good.
Yeah.
Keith actually cut this slot here.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, is there an extra one?
There's an extra slot there, but obviously mine's filled in.
Oh, okay.
If you want to have a look at Daz ours out on the road,
Ah, right.
it has been cut out and it looks really
Righto.
nice. Oh, Capri.
There you go. It's a Ford Crappy. Oh. Oh shit, he's trying to get in there.
Oh, get in there.
Mate, look at that. What a machine. What engine have you got in this?
Hey, get in there.
What size? 2 litre? 2.1. Is that stroked?
No, it's pretty much stock bar, man.
Wicked sounding
You want to
engine.
get in B4, man? No, B3.
Honda boys assemble, man needs to get on some work. Look at this though. Absolutely minter. That is beautiful. Big fan. Oh, I didn't see how clean this was. Oh, there's that super bright crinkle red again. I've seen it twice now. That is nice. I like that. That's interesting. Well, it's a solution to the problem, but I'm not convinced it's incredible for airflow, but that is a beauty. ITG carbon box, nice bit of carbon there, I like that, good detail. Nice. This is pretty cool. It's another one, super bright, wrinkle red. More skunks. Big, big, big filter housing. very low. My foot barely even fits under that splitter. But that is a proper splitter as well. So we've got a full plywood splitter underneath with mounts, and we've actually got a front guard to it as well, which is required. That is an intercooler, is it not? That looks like a fucking intercooler. Why have we got an intercooler in there? What are we hiding? You don't see this every day, folks. This is my kind of old dude. He's just rocked up at a dyno shop in a Boxster S. I'm probably going to get run over by his reversing right now as well. I'm panicking right now. Mind me toes. Mind me toes. My belly was nearly touching his window. But anyway, yeah, fair play to him. Look, he's rocked up and he's going to whack his Porsche on the dyno. I can't wait to see this. This is going to be wild. What a guy. I reckon that's going to be about 245. Potentially down on where he was. Oh no, yeah. 252. 252. So he's lost 1 horsepower. 252 point something. Lost a horsepower. That's terrible. I'm just checking the glove box when it comes up. We'll have a look in the glove box for it. Yeah. I think the weather's having a difference today though, because
very disappointing.
every car that's been on here is making less than what they thought it were going to make, bar one. And I think
Why is that? Is anything
weather, humidity, pressure, all makes a difference.
Right.
Tyre pressures make a difference. Lots of things make a
I
difference.
just did the task yesterday.
We've just spotted this FN2 parked in the corner here, and I was like, "Is it all right? It looks, it's touching the ground. It's like it looks like it's fucking had enough of life." And it's like, but then I see it, but it's good. It's fine. Look, I'm fine. Leave me alone. Love that. That sticker is cool. That is cool. Yeah. Type S wheels. How did you get it? Is that on bags?
Yeah.
Had to be, didn't it? There's no way you could drive it like that. You'd be in the bush. Good God. The wheels confused me. I wasn't sure if it was a genuine R. Ooh. Look at this. Clever.
It's about out of there, like.
Yeah.
It is out of there.
It'll go down all right when it's got no air in it though, won't it? It just lets it out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look. Down we go. Is it all adjustable and stuff? So like you can set like a bottom limit so you don't hit the ground or whatever?
It's all manual. Got no...
Oh, so you just go till you hear it hit the ground and you stop?
Yeah, well, you hear the air stop going and then it's gone.
Well, that works.
Just don't like digital, it always goes wrong.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
£30 a switch. Just
analog works, doesn't it?
Might do it to mine and I ain't got to step up to get in.
Yeah. If you missed that, he said he might do it to his so we don't have to step up to get in it.
all the front end
Oh,
clips
dear.
are all just destroying
Yeah. It's 50 Shades of White as well, isn't it? Bless it.
Yeah, I flaming got them to mix on paint.
I'm a weirdo. I kind of like the wheels.
Yeah, well,
Are you just being a brand whore now?
Yes.
Stop
Yes.
it.
I can't do reps. I've snapped way too many. So I run silly tyres.
Well, that's why you're breaking them.
Yeah, but I've got to run silly tyres.
Hey, you don't got to.
Other than that, bang up. Absolutely bang up.
making more every run. It went 180, 195, 197. There's that, the top number, the engine number can't be calibrated right. It's saying it's 287 horse. That can't be right. Surely not for this number. So watch when it spots the engine power here. Hey, look, 271. Oh, that's more like it.
90 around. 273.
Oh, hang on, it's got to adjust the rev limit.
Yeah.
That might change it. 222. I thought that initial number looked a bit wild. 223 and 224. There you go. 224. Nice.
I am tempted.
See what we got?
Here we go.
Put the login on now, yeah?
Oh, go on.
Matty Champ White and the supercharged FD2. We're going to hit the dyno and see what we can do. Well, I'm not. Rich's going to. We're just going to watch. We'll see how it does. It goes.
What's going on? Let's see what we do here.
We're warming up the Civic. We're going to have a go ourselves, boys. Everybody wants to hear the old shoo-shoo noises. So the gauntlet has been set by this gentleman's EP3 that was supercharged. What was it, 362?
363.
363. So Matty's just had a new TDI North exhaust put on this, so let's see what it does. This is the moment of truth. This is the new baseline for the car.
Baseline.
He's already had a nervous wee.
Yeah, nervous round person.
That was about an hour ago.
Yeah. Here we go, I got roped in, couldn't handle the competition. The peak's 241 on an FD2. We made 242 last time here, so if we make the same again, I might get first place for the NA. So let's see what we do. The pressure's on. Yeah, buddy. Nervous now. Come on, second pull. 3 horsepower, 3. All I need. Come on, girl. Yeah, man. That's good. That's good. I think that could be a new best. 194 at the wheels, that might be a new best. Oh, you slag. 240.7. Damn it. Nearly. Not quite. There it is. 240.7. That's second place. so not quite enough to take the win today. Damn, look how high the power is. 8.6, nearly 8.7 for the peak number. Whew, that's good shit. Nice one, second place. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
There you go. That colour's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
It's
cool.
a pearlescent purple.
AR1s on that.
It's a pearlescent purple, you can only see it in the top. Otherwise it's just black. VSEC.
Very good, very nice. Over a little bit towards the top, very tiny. .344, 344, and then 339.
339.
240 foot-pounds of torque. Okay. Must be quite a decent sized turbo in that. It's spooling quite late. It's not making an absolute ton of torque with it low down. Peaking at 66. That'd be like a big surge of power at that point, wouldn't it? That would like come on like.
So I guess
can do more than that.
Ah, missed it.
Oh, missed it.
What happened? You got a trophy.
What?
Look at this.
Made third place today.
Third place for most horsepower in a boosted Civic. Which is unfortunate because he literally got mugged off at the last minute. He was second until this dude turned up. Where has he gone?
Where's he
In
gone?
this real fly looking double over cam VTEC MB6.
I'm fine to lose.
But anyway, no, the car was sick.
Fine to lose. That car was
No,
amazing.
he just rolled up and then just stuck it on, boom, second. So yeah, no, fair play. The car was
isn't it?
wild, so clean and so quiet. But no, you chuffed with that, mate?
Yeah, really chuffed with that. And next year this is going to be a 1.
Yes, boy. So the story is, right, this car's just had its supercharger kit recently, right?
Yeah.
And you had some stuff done, and then you had a new exhaust put on it. And this is the first time it's been looked at or measured since the exhaust,
Yeah.
and you've not had it tuned
No tune.
for the exhaust
no tune
that's on it now.
No.
And
So-
what spec is the exhaust again?
So this is a TDI 3-inch now.
Right, okay.
What came off was an Nvidia 70mm at 2.5-inch tailpipes.
Right,
Twin,
okay.
so a twin
yeah,
to a
yeah,
single.
I remember the chat on WhatsApp about that actually.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and it's sort of upset it a bit. So Rich is going to fix it for us.
Cool, sweet. Then more horsepower because it's there, it's ready to make it. Yeah, buddy. Oh, here we go. This is number 1.
Of course.
Excellent. Thanks, guys.
Keith had to do it, but
Yeah, well, Keith's
yeah.
good at making tea.
I think you cover.
Thank you very much.
And this gentleman got the number 1 trophy, right? Yeah, buddy. And what did you make? 360?
363.
363. That is an absolute machine. That's a lot of power for a car that is not that heavy. 'Cause what are these, about 1100 strips like this?
It'll be about 1100 till I sit in it.
Well, I'm the same. Mine's like 1040 until I put my fat ass in it, and then it's a little bit heavier. But
Yeah.
so yeah,
Hope
no,
she goes well.
240 on the day, so we're happy with that. Where's he gone now? He's vanished.
Look at there, look.
Oh, is this the cleanest one?
Rightio, so as chosen by Barnzys, who was the organiser of the event, he's chosen your car as the best of the day. So thank you very much. Thank you for attending. Cheers.
Nice.
Welcome. Congrats.
Bet you weren't expecting a trophy today, were you?
I already got a bottle of wax.
Oh, winning. Nice.
Then
There we are, folks. We are now done for the day at Barnzys Dynodaze Honda Meet. Wicked day out, actually. Not usually massively into the whole static meet thing, but some really great people here, and it's all Hondas, and I'm a Honda nerd and I love to talk about my Honda, so we've had a pretty cool day. We did some dyno runs, made 240.7 horsepower, which is it's a minuscule amount down on its previous best on the same dyno. But the intake temps were nearly twice what they were last time out, so I'm happy with that. So that's it. if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Do a like, do a subscribe, and maybe you'll see me and Maxie do some more JDM stuff next year, eh bud?
Yeah.
We'll hit some shows and stuff or whatever. So for the rest of the winter, we're probably just going to do streaming, live streams on a weekend night, or boozy sessions, or maybe some Forza streaming and stuff like that. So see you soon.